People expect access to the internet, anytime and anywhere. This has been made possible by cloud computing and the use of mobile devices. But the networks that make this possible are becoming increasingly complex and difficult to manage. With networks, a distinction must be made between the LAN and the WAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. This is the network between the device and the building. Think of computers, printers, cameras and the local file server. WAN stands for Wide Area Network and is about the connection of the building to the internet. Without a WAN, no connection to the internet is possible. The increasing complexity of WAN networks also increases the complexity of configuring the WAN equipment. In recent years, there has been a new development in WAN networks called SD-WAN. It's the new generation of WAN where the letters SD stand for software defined. To understand this, you must first understand that a router consists of a data plane and a control plane. The data plane ensures that the network packets are sent over the correct connection, and the control plane calculates the correct connection and takes care of controlling the data plane. So the control plane is the intelligence of the router. Software defined means that the control plane is no longer on the router, but it is centrally controlled on a so-called orchestrator. By using the centrally managed orchestrator, management becomes less complex, more intelligence is possible, more flexibility is created, and we gain more insight into the functioning of the network. This is because all the separate branches can be seen and managed as one network. In a traditional WAN network, without an orchestrator, the concept usually uses the concept where all traffic from branches passes through the head office. This is because the head office often provides services to the branches. With SD-WAN, we can let go of this concept. Services may still be provided from the head office, but these services will increasingly come from the cloud. With SD-WAN, this cloud is very easy to connect. The increased redundancy, coupled with the orchestrator's centralized management, provides SD-WAN with many benefits. These benefits result in higher network availability. Then of course, the question remains: what is the best SD-WAN solution? This question is not so easy to answer because SD-WAN is not a standardized product. There is therefore no supplier with the best solution. There are many suppliers with a very good solution, but not every supplier will be the best choice for the customer's needs. It's therefore advisable to look for the most suitable supplier based on the customer needs.